Hello everyone, this is Nicole from Altenew. Thank you so much for joining me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can layer the images up together for the Rose Blossom stem set. This is a beautifully detailed stem set with rose bloom and a couple of other elements that you can create a floral bouquet easily. And make sure to refer to a layering guide on the back of the stamp packaging when stamping alone, or you can stamp along with me. So we will start with the main bloom and starting with the outline in jet black ink pad. And now we will move forward with the solid image, which is the first one in frosty pink. It's going to nestle nicely within that outline. Keep in mind that for the second layer, you're going to pay attention to those areas that I'm pointing at, where there are some white spaces in between flower petals. So you will line that up along with the outlined area and stamp those. But it's easier if you line up between the lines of the petals and the white spaces that the first layer left. Same thing for the third layer. You're going to ink this up in ruby red and stamp the same position. For the second layer, I stamped it in Coral Bliss. For the smaller flower, I stamped the outline in jet black. And then for the solid first layer image, you will stamp it in frosty pink. And for the second one, the layers on top of it, you can stamp with Coral Bliss as well. Next one is a leaf, which is fairly simple, outline in jet black, and then the first layer in frayed leaf, and then the second layer, we will stamp it with Forest Glades. If you want a darker impression, you can stamp the first layer in Forest Glades and then second one in Evergreen. And that's how you layer up the rose blossom images. I hope these were helpful. If you have any questions, let us know by emailing us at support@altenew.com. Thank you so much for watching.